This is Bethesda, my hometown. I was born and raised here. So this is Caffi Blas Lôn Las on the Lôn Las Ogwen, which is an amazing cycle track. I love coming here through Tunnel Tywyll on my bike with my children, and the payoff is a fantastic cake and a coffee at the end. I'm at Ysbyty'r Chwarel, the Quarry Hospital, and it's kind of a bit off the beaten track, but you can access it very quickly from Lôn Las Ogwen, the cycle track. This is Jerusalem Chapel. Whether you're spiritual or not, you're going to feel something here. When you walk in, and the smell of the wood and the hymn books just connects you to your history. This is the stunning Cwm Idwal. This is one of my favourite places on earth. When I go away, I crave this place. These are just a few of my favourite places in Bethesda, and there's so many more. It inspires me, and its beauty continues to take my breath away.